This is the Eon, a pair of versatile, long-lasting over-ear headphones that are designed to meet pretty much any possible need you can think of, whether that's taking Zoom meetings, listening to music, gaming, or whatever else. Here are a few quick tips and tricks on how to use the Eon for best results. Tip 1. You can use the Eon in a variety of different modes, depending on what suits your scenario. For example, you can use them as wireless headphones for listening to music during your commute, as a wireless headset with a boom mic for joining meetings, and as a wired headset for gaming during your off time, or maybe on your lunch break. Tip 2. The Eon has a bunch of advanced audio features that aid its versatility in pretty much any environment. You can turn on the hybrid active noise cancellation for when you need to focus in noisy backgrounds, or activate the transparency mode for when you want to stay aware of your surroundings. The boom mic also has advanced noise filtering tech that makes sure your voice, and only your voice, is transmitted loud and clear. And you can even toggle the side tone feature in case you want to monitor your own voice. Super helpful for maintaining natural speaking volumes and making sure you don't accidentally mute yourself. Whenever you're on a call, a red busy light automatically activates so those around you know not to interrupt. Tip 3. One of the things that really sets the Eon apart from other headphones on the market is its lifespan. The ear pads, headband, and rechargeable battery are all replaceable, so you can continuously swap these parts out whenever they start to show signs of wear and tear. Tip 4. The Eon comes with both a charging stand and a carrying case. The charging stand makes charging and storing the headphones at home an absolute breeze. And the carrying case allows you to transport the Eon and any of its accessories/components worry-free. We definitely recommend taking full advantage of both of these to maximize convenience. And there you have it. Modes, features, and parts that all come together to create our most versatile headset yet. We hope that you have a wonderful time with the Eon and all its various uses. And if you ever need any help or have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@avantry.com. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.